Welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create a GitHub page and explain how you can host a simple website for free using GitHub Pages. This video will help you publish your project or portfolio online in just a few steps. Step 1. Sign into your GitHub account and in the top right corner, select New Repository. This is where you will create the repository that can be used for GitHub Pages. Step 2. Enter a repository name. Add a description if you like, choose Public, and then click Create Repository. A public repository is required for GitHub Pages on a free account. Step 3. Inside the repository, click Add File and choose Create New File. This allows you to add the files that will be shown on your website. Step 4. Name the file index.html and add your HTML content in the editor. The index.html file is important because it is the default page that loads first. Step 5. Commit changes and pop window comes and click Commit Changes to New File to save your changes. This uploads your website file to the repository. Step 6. In the repository and click the Settings tab at the top of the page. This is where GitHub Pages can be enabled. Step 7. Scroll down to the Pages section in the left sidebar. This section controls how your GitHub page is published. Step 8. Under Source, select the main branch and choose the root folder. Then click Save. This tells GitHub where your website files are stored. Step 9. Wait a few moments, then refresh the Pages section to see your GitHub Pages URL. This link is where your website will be live and accessible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful GitHub tutorials.